Unit 3, Topic D, explore sub-data sheets. You will recall in the previous topic that we discussed relationships, particularly in this database between customers and orders, and that there exists now a join line between customers and orders in the relationship window. If I edit that join line, you'll see that there is a relationship type called one-to-many, which means that one customer has many orders or could have many orders. The interesting function of this relationship when it comes to viewing a table is that if I view the customer table now, which is a primary table with a related table called orders, then you'll notice something new on the left-hand side of every record. On the left-hand side at the record selector is a little expand collapse button, and if I expand it by clicking on it, I can open up a sub-data sheet which shows me all of the different orders that are associated with a particular customer. So pick another customer, number 10, company ID or company name company J, and we can see that company J has 4 orders in the database that is related to company J. Any other company you open up, collapse or expand and collapse the sub-data sheet for it, you'll notice that all the orders that are associated with such a customer is now available to view in this view. When I go back to the relationship window and I break apart the relationship by clicking on it, selecting it, and then deleting it, I'm breaking that relationship, and Access no longer knows how to relate an order to a customer, which means that if I go to customers, I no longer have the ability to open up a sub-data sheet. So the important point for you to remember is that relationships between tables drive a lot of automatic functionality in Access. There are so many different things that we can do when a relationship between tables is correctly established. This will drill down later into the way that we design queries and also the way that we design forms and reports. But for now, I want you to know that sub-data sheets is a function of the relationship between particular tables in a database. I'm going to recreate that relationship. All you need to know at this stage is that when a relationship is established between a customer and an order, that the relationship now gives you the ability to open a sub-data sheet because there is a one-to-many relationship between customers and orders. One customer, many orders. When I go back to relationships and I break the relationship between the two, and I open the customers table again, I do not have the ability to create that sub-data sheet or to view the sub-data sheet. So important to understand that sub-data sheets are a function of the relationships that are correctly defined between different tables in your database. They also drive various other important automated functions in Access, and we will deal with them when we get to forms and queries and reports.